Going over this problem now. If you notice, there is a minus sign, so that should indicate that this is a subtraction problem. Also, there are three numbers, so you should also be aware that this is a 3-digit problem. Now your problem states 225 minus 117. To make this problem easier to solve, we are going to be using our base 10 blocks. Now quickly, we're going to review our base 10 blocks. Remember that this block represents the hundreds because there are 10 columns and each column has 10 squares. Now our tens are represented by this block, and that's because there's one column with 10 individual little squares all together. Now our ones are represented by these singles, and that just indicates that there's one. Now remember that our problem states that we need 225. So to get this number, we are going to need 5 singles. Now you could work this problem together with me as I go through it. We grab 5 squares, and then for our tens, you're going to need 2. So grab 2 of your tens, and then for your hundreds, you also need 2. So you're going to get 2 of your blocks, and altogether, this represents 225. Now, our problem states that we need to take away 117. So we're going to work together to get the answer. We're going to start with our ones place, and in our ones place, we have 5 singles, and we need to take away 7. Now, we can't do that because we only have 5, and 7 is a higher number than 5. So we're going to be going over to our tens block and borrowing one of their tens. So we're going to be taking it away and turning it into 10 singles. We're going to break it down into 10 individuals. And in the tens, we are then left with 1. And in our ones column, we now have 15 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you're able to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you are then left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In our tens, you now have 1 because you took 1 over and broke it down. And our problem states that you need to take away 1. So you go ahead and take that one away, and you're left with nothing. So to represent the nothing, you then write in your 0. And we can go ahead and move over to our hundreds. In our hundreds, we have 2, and you want to take away 1. We go ahead and take away 1 block, and you are then left with 1. Now your answer is 108.